In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Alibaba language. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the language controls, how to switch to your preferred language, and how to save the change so it sticks as you browse. Start by opening your web browser and going to alibaba.com. You don't need to sign in to adjust the display language, and this works on the home page as well as most internal pages. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the top menu options appear. Now look toward the top of the page, generally in the upper right area of the header. You're looking for a small globe icon, which represents the site's language and currency settings. It usually sits near the account, orders, or help icons. If your window is narrow, you might need to maximize it or zoom out slightly to see the full top bar. Click the globe icon to open the settings panel. You'll see a section labeled Set Language and Currency. We're focusing on the language area for this walkthrough. The currency option is there too, but you can leave it as is if all you want to change is the language. In the language section, click the drop-down button. This will reveal a list of available languages. The list may be long, and languages are typically shown in their native names, which makes them easier to spot. Scroll through and choose the one you prefer. If you see multiple regional variations, pick the one that matches your location or the version you're most comfortable reading. Once you've highlighted your language, look for the Save button and click it to confirm. If the Save button appears inactive, make sure you actually selected a new language from the drop-down. After you save, the page may refresh automatically, or you might notice the interface text updates within a second or two. Headings, menus, and navigation labels should all reflect your new choice. If you don't see an immediate change, try a quick page refresh. Occasionally, your browser cache can delay the update, but a reload typically resolves it. From here on, Alibaba should remember your selection on this device, making future visits easier to navigate. That's all there is to it. You went to alibaba.com, opened the globe icon in the top menu, selected your preferred language from the drop-down, and saved your choice. Simple, fast, and now the site reads exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing Alibaba in your new language.